SM's goal, together with Mastercard's, was to ensure that we bridged the digital divide in terms of education, because we know that during the COVID pandemic, what happened? There was a lot of e-learning and mobile learning. We felt that it was important that we give these students the tools necessary so that they are able to continue their education.
The partnership with Mastercard, they've been a long-time partner of the SM Store. Be able to give scholarships to very, very deserving women in the field of STEM. It's a full 4-year scholarship program that we're going to be working with Mastercard.
Sobrang laking tulong po ng tablet kasi mas compact and portable siya. So I can listen to class sa phones, minsan notes naman dun sa tablet or yung basic coding po.
With the partnership of Mastercard and SM Store to do a social project, and that is thinking of others. And then they thought of doing it via supporting education.